As the highly anticipated EICMA 2025 event approaches, the motorcycle world is once again abuzz with speculation, leaving bikers eagerly awaiting the next big surprise. Yamaha has already made a statement with the Tracer 9 GT Plus, featuring adaptive cruise control and an integrated braking system. Suzuki isn't far behind, introducing the GSX-S1000GX, their first motorcycle to utilize electronic suspension. Meanwhile, Kawasaki has made its move with the Versys 1000 SE, a derivative of the Ninja 1000 SX featuring advanced suspension technology. With these bold moves from the three major manufacturers, the spotlight now shifts to Honda. The Wing logo manufacturer has yet to unveil its final move in the 1,000 cubic centimeters touring crossover class. However, rumors suggest Honda is preparing a major surprise, a new motorcycle reportedly named the Honda CB1000 Type X or possibly NX1000. Why two different names? Because in Europe, the CB500X has officially been renamed the NX500. There's a possibility that Honda wants to continue this new tradition. However, whatever its name may be, this motorcycle is believed to be based on the latest Honda Hornet, complete with the legendary SC77 engine also used in the CBR 1000RR. This engine is capable of producing up to 192 PS, a figure that is certainly no joke for a touring motorcycle. In this class, rivals are fully equipped with modern features such as traction control, riding modes, electronic suspension, and adaptive cruise control. Honda seems to have taken a different approach. Rather than simply packing the bike with technology, it has maintained a balance between brutal power and precise control. So even though it may be simpler in terms of electronics, Honda has retained its signature sporty character. What about the design? From the concept rendering circulating, the motorcycle features an aggressive touring crossover style, a large windscreen to cut through the wind, sharp fairings emphasizing a modern look, and upright riding position comfortable for long journeys. Gold-colored upside-down front suspension adds a premium touch, while muscular body blends sporty elements with adventure-inspired details. However, it's important to note that all of this is still just digital illustrations. The production version may undergo changes when it is officially unveiled. But if these rumors are true, the 1,000 cubic centimeters touring crossover market will welcome a formidable competitor ready to challenge the Yamaha Tracer 9 GT head-on, while also becoming a serious rival for Suzuki and Kawasaki. So, the big question now is, will this motorcycle truly debut at EICMA 2025 on the name CB1000X, or will it be the NX1000? One thing is certain. If Honda does launch this motorcycle, the two-wheel world is in for another shakeup with the arrival of this new beast. Thanks for watching.